Kumu Nadia. Next to Nadia is our other vocalist, Mimi Freitas. At Singing Mimi 365 on Instagram. You can please follow her. I know the count, so I'll know how many of you added her. Also, at KSK Mōʻi Jazz Ensemble, that's the Kamehameha School's Mōʻi Jazz Ensemble, also on Instagram. On tenor saxophone, I have senior. She's graduating this year, Miss Maya Inouye. She's happy. She's over it, but I dragged her out here today. 2 weeks to go. On guitar, we're so very honored and lucky that Kamehameha Schools had the foresight to hire Kumu Zanuck to fill in as our guitar teacher for the past 2 years.
Nice.
And he's been with us, helping us out for this entire time. Look him up, folks. He's a legend. On piano, I have a senior, Mr. ʻEleu Ohai. I'm also losing him. He is also graduating. But somehow I'm going to try to keep him. I think he's going to be working at the school next year. He's also the senior men's song contest leader.
Oh.
Mimi in the front is the sophomore women's song contest leader.
Hey.
Some of you collect Pokemon, I collect song contest leaders from my group. I have actually 2 others that are in the main band. Playing bongos today, we have our director, our leader of the Kamehameha Schools band program, Mr. Makana Larger. He is actually my former student. I am so honored, happy, proud papa to have him be my boss now. I am safe.
Oh, you better watch out.
On drum set, I have junior Mr. Keone Bausita. Yay, Keone. I got him for 1 more year. On bass, I normally play bass, but what kind of teacher would I be if I didn't actually let my bass player play? So he's up there training on the standing bass. This is actually his first or second time on that thing, and he's doing wonderful. Very good. Thank you, Ehuhai. Mr. Ehuhai Heck. My name is Jason Kaneakua, and for our last song, we like to do a kind of lively song. It's entitled ʻEleu Mikimiki. Mr. Zanuck Lindsay. Nadia and Mimi. Mr. Noah Crockett, alto saxophone. Mr. ʻEleu Ohai. Thank you, everybody. We're the Kamo'i Jazz Ensemble
good
at
time.
KSK Kamo'i Jazz Ensemble. I know our count also, so please go ahead and add us on Instagram.
All right.